Hello. So in this video, we're going to go through a few examples of how you can leverage the Blackbox agent, and you have access to it in different places, whether it's locally on your desktop, whether it's remotely on the cloud, uh, on the IDE and the CLI. So we're going to show you a few different releases that were done that you can leverage more the Blackbox agent capabilities on. So uh, here we're going to show you how the Blackbox MCP is available for users, where they can integrate it either part of an existing workflow or during their local work uh, through the CLI. So here we're going to take an example with the Blackbox MCP in the CLI. So what we're going to do is we're going to just simply, with natural language, run a few tasks, and we're going to give you an example on how you can leverage it. So we're going to tell it use the remote code repo, use the remote code tool, and I want you to use the repo this one on the branch based model, and I want to implement a better approach for cases where context exceeds model context window. So now, even though we're using the CLI, when we just, by having the MCP right here, we're sending this task completely remotely, so nothing is taking space from what we have locally right here. So now we just sent it right now. We can define the agent that we want to run it with, whether it's the Blackbox agent, Cloud Code, Codex. We can pick any model that we want. So now we have the task ID. All we need to do is just continue working locally. We can send several ones simultaneously. We're going to turn it on again right here. And at the same time, we're going to see how, if we just refresh, there it is. So we have the right repo, the right branch, and this just got sent right now. So implement a better approach to handle this. So here you have access to your whatever task you just sent. It's available right now, and we're gonna also take a look at different ways where you can leverage it. It's not only available to you directly through the CLI. You can be using any other CLIs with the Blackbox MCP to run those tasks remotely. You can have your own apps that you're building, and you want some remote tasks to be executed. It can run completely remotely and give you the finished execution once it's done. So now we have it. We can see the logs right here. Once everything is done, we're going to show you an example of a task that was implemented right now. We gave it a task on this repo, same thing. It's a branch right here. And we have multi-agent system that went on. We see all the diffs. We see the comment here. And we can open it up in a bigger screen right now. And let's take a look. So mainly, we just gave it the task to implement the sign-up, email sign-up here, part of the same repo that we're currently showing you in this display. So we have the form, the database changes. Mostly, it seems good. If any of your colleagues had left a comment, we'll be able to look at those comments right here. We can skip through it and pretty much also have a mark whether this was resolved or not resolved. So here, this is a brief overview of it. We're going to be able to showcase in more videos how you can leverage the remote agent and the local Blackbox agent for different use cases. But here we're showing you how you can run simultaneous tasks while you're working without you really being having to monitor the execution of the agent. So here we're going to go back to it. We're going to see what it's currently going through. And so it's scanning the files. It's going to come up with the you're going to be able to see there it is. So here we have a more detailed plan, and once this is finalized, it's going to go through the execution, and you'll be able to get the final diff once this is done.